What happened to your phone you said, sir?
Not gonna lie, we was chilling in the couch, right? Just chilling. I was scrolling. She saw something she was not supposed to, and I'm not gonna lie, the end of the results right there. She got mad, and I need to recover everything that's in that
Yeah, we
phone.
need to recover everything.
Because somebody can't control her temper, but it's okay.
Don't worry. I got you.
There you.
It looks like somebody shot right here. Let's see if we can fix this. Watch until the end. Oh, look at the battery.
Hi, Buffers.
What's up? Look. Oh yeah.
You are so cute.
You like them trees, don't you? Yeah. Yo, I want to ask you so bad.
Hi.
Surgery time. Look at the screen. Power button flex cable is ripped right there, as you see. So we're gonna replace the wireless charger as well. That whole flex. Surgery time. It's broken from here. Mainboard looks good. This is what I'm talking about. This whole flex cable, it's garbage. It's not going to work. And most likely we'll put the phone on the boot loop if it turns on. So we are going to replace all thing. Time to fix back glass. Surgery time. One more time, laser. Cleaning time. Time to change this wireless charger. Glue time.
Two 2,000 years later.
Your phone is ready, sir.
That's my phone?
Yeah, it's good to go.
Yeah, we was not gonna grab it because now we're back to where we left off.
Damn.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look